414.21, 96,000 hertz, 64-bit recording for EVP. Still at the very beginning of this recording. I made reference to the meter being high. I said it's nighttime time to talk. I'll play that in a second. There's a bunch of pop sounds here. The recorder was right here. I hear Dad, which would be Jeremy. That's how he addresses me. And I hear the name Jeremy also being spoken. Sounds different than what it usually sounds like. Could both be Jeremy. Because when that meter's high, my equipment does go crazy. I even burn out batteries. Here's the EVP. That's still red. My voice is slow. I'll speed it up.
To talk. I see the meter's pretty high. Nighttime time to talk. I see the meter's pretty high.
I believe that it sounds different only because the meter is high.